Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I've got something a little bit different for you. Over the last couple of weeks I've been trying out a new craft which is latch hooking, usually found as latch hook rugs or latch hook cushions. The one that I've chosen to complete is designed as a wall hanging, but I'm leaving off the tassels and doing it as a small 30 by 30 rug that my cats are going to love. So here you can see the method of latch hooking. I'll try and talk you through the process. It is something that's much easier to learn through doing than to try and explain. But the kit comes with this latch hook, which you fold a piece of the pre-cut wool around, and then you are able to hook that through the pre-printed canvas, hook the wool around the latch, close it and pull it through. The kit that I've chosen to complete is by a company called Trimits. I will pop a link down in the description to the Amazon listing. It says on its listing that it is fantastic for introducing someone to the world of latch hook craft. This is the first one that I've completed, so I can vouch for the fact that it's fine for beginners. Contains everything that you'll need to help you get started. Includes a printed set of instructions, the canvas which has the design printed on it in colour, and the latch hook and the rug yarn. The yarn comes in little bundles all pre-cut for you. It was really easy to get started, and once I found my rhythm I was away. One of the things that I particularly liked about this craft was that on the days when my health was bad, I was able to move to the sofa instead of sitting at my craft desk and work on my lap. It was very easy to continue doing it while watching the TV, and it felt like a very relaxing activity. I even suggested to my family that this is the sort of thing I could see myself taking away on holiday when we go camping, because unlike diamond painting, there's not a million tiny things to lose. It's very self-contained. I should also give credit here to Rambling Rose. I will link her YouTube channel in the description. It was after seeing her complete a latch hook rug that I decided to have a go for myself. So I just wanted to direct you guys to go and have a look at her canvas. that she completed as well. As I say, I will link the video. She completed a Mondrian style latch hook rug. And so here it is, the finished rainbow latch hook rug. I'm really pleased with the way that it turned out, and I'll definitely be looking to do another one. The 30 by 30 size was great. It meant I could finish it in just, a couple of weeks working on it off and on in between other projects. At the moment, the price on Amazon is £6.66 with Prime delivery. That is reduced from its full price for the kit of £14.99. As I say, I will pop a link in the description should you wish to give it a go for yourself. There are other designs available, but they don't appear to be on sale the way that the rainbow one is. So do let me know if you have an interest in latch hook rugs, if you've done it before. I would love to hear about it. Do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video.